Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's get scrappy. Stay tuned. Y'all, in case you missed it, you missed a really fun project, a very inexpensive project, and that's why I have it linked in the description box below. Go back and check it out to see how you can make these using some of those cheapo stockings that you find this time of year. Those bags are just one of the creative and innovative crafts that we do on my channel. And I am committed to making sure that we have inexpensive crafting options for any season, any reason, anyone. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful ways that you are supporting me and my channel. I really sincerely appreciate it. Today we're going to combine our scraps with pre-made inexpensive gift tags, and I'll show you a wonderful little project that you can get from just a few scraps and one gift tag. I'm going to give you a closer look at the actual project in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here is the really sweet little project that we're going to be making using scraps. Now, your sizes might vary because your scrap sizes might be different from mine, but we're going to take a pre-made gift tag and use it to make a card within a card. So we're going to take that fold over gift tag, mount it, and it will become the outside of our card. So you can write your to and from here, but when you open the card, you're going to have a nice little place to place a gift card if you want, or some cash, or a piece of chocolate, totally up to you. And then over here, you'll have a nice little space to write your message. And you won't even need an envelope for this, and I'll show you why. So here's what I'm going to be using to make mine. Your sizing might vary depending on the scraps that you choose to use. So I think this piece is 9 by 4, but I'm going to tweak it just a little bit. Then I have some scrap white paper that I'll be using for this project, and a piece of scrap red. So if you have plenty of scraps, and guys, I know you do, use them on little projects like this. You might have a scrap pile that just seems overwhelmingly large. I know I do, but we can use those scraps to create these little projects from time to time. You can even use these scraps to create multiples of these and share them with friends and family. So let's make our little card within a card. All right, so my piece is 9 by 4, and I am just going to cut it down to 8 by 4. I really don't want it to be 9, so I'm just going to make it 8 by 4. And I want this to be the outside, so on the 8-inch side, I'm going to score this at 4. And there's my card base. And as a matter of fact, I don't want it as wide as it is, so I'm going to take it and trim it down. With it folded, I'm trimming it down to 3 3/4. Now this is just me, but I just wanted it to be not as wide as it was. So now I have a card when folded that is 3 3/4 by 4. So I'm going to bring in my scrap white pieces, and I'm going to create 2 white spots for this on the inside. So I'm going to take it, trim it down to 3 3/4. Then I'm going to cut 2 pieces that are 3 1/2. So I have 2 pieces that now measure 3 1/2 by 3 3/4. And like I said, your pieces might be different in size because of the size scrap that you might be starting with. But these are workable sizes for me, so this is what I'm going to go with. So then I'm just going to give that a nice little burnishing. Grab my tape runner, and I'm going to put these 2 down just like this. And this idea really is good for any season, any reason, anyone. Doesn't have to be for Christmas. It can be for any holiday that's happening. during this time of year, or it can be for any celebration, whether it's an anniversary, a birthday, whatever. And then I'll take this piece and we're going to put it right there. This just gives us a nice little insight to the base, and it also covers the decorative paper that would be difficult to write on. So I now have some writing space if I want. Then I'm going to take this scrap piece, and this really is just a scrap piece, and all I'm going to do is make myself a little pocket by cutting it on the diagonal like that. And then I'm just going to place it right here. This is one of those things that you don't have to do if you don't want to, but I just thought it would be nice to have a little pocket on the inside in case I wanted to hand this off to someone. I can put a little something inside. So I'm putting glue on two sides. I'm going to take this and just put it down like this. And now I'm going to use this card that says open on December 25th. I'm going to take this and just mount it to some white paper so that I'll have a border to break it up when I put it on this piece. So again, I'm just going to take my tape runner, add my tape, and place this down like that. Then I'm just going to use my scissors, and I am going to just trim out my border like this, and like this. I could have put it back in the trimmer, but I just decided to go with my scissors. So now I'm just going to take some tape, add some tape to the back, take it, and I'm just going to place it on a slight diagonal like that. So now I have a really cute card on the front, and it's going to be just as cute on the inside, but we're going to be able to open this and write who it's to and from. But on this side, I'm just going to take a nice little present, put that right there. Then we're going to open the inside, and we're going to start dressing the inside of this sweet little holder. So I'm going to take this little sticker that says A Perfect Christmas, and we're going to put that there. So then we're going to take this sticker, and I'm just going to tuck it behind like that so that we can have some cuteness sticking out. I'm going to take this sticker that says Joy, and we're going to put it right there. So very simple way to decorate our little card. And then here on the back, I'm just going to take this sweet little reindeer and just put him on the back. So y'all, very, very easy to do. Then I can just take a gift card or some cash if I want and just put it in that pocket, fold over, and then I can just take another sticker. We can put that sticker right here on the edge, fold it over, and it will become the way that we close and seal this. Now this is not mailable the way that it is. You would need to place it in an envelope. But it is a very cute and simple way of taking those tags and using the tags to send a message on the outside of the card, and then using a sticker to close our card. And on the inside we can write a message, and we can tuck in something in the little pocket. Easy peasy way to use our scraps and some very inexpensive gift tags. As a matter of fact, these tags were $1 at Pop Shelf, but I was able to get them on sale, and there are 12 in here. So these cost me pennies to be able to use on this project. And then I'm using scrap So this really is some of the most economical crafting that you're able to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just add my little snowflake to this one. And now we have two really sweet little ways to be able to give a little something along with a sweet little message. And I hope that for those of you who really don't like the very simple crafts that I sometimes do on the channel, I hope that you'll support my channel anyway by watching the video. Because when you watch my videos, that helps me out with YouTube, and that continues to make it possible for me to be able to bring you all types of crafts on the channel, from the simple to the more advanced. So even if this isn't your cup of tea, I hope that you will watch and support me on all of my videos so that I can keep doing this. But even if you don't, I still appreciate whatever time you're able to give to me and my channel. As always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.